Lost your Chrome groups? Don't panic. I will show you how to retrieve those deleted groups from Chrome. First, check your Chrome history. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select History and then History again. Scan through your browsing history for the websites that were part of your deleted group. You may be able to piece it back together. Another option is to check your Chrome Bookmarks Manager. Press Shift-O to open it. Here, look for any folders that may contain the websites from your lost group. If you have Chrome Sync enabled, your groups might be backed up in Google's cloud. Go to Chrome Settings, then Sync and Google Services. Check and manage your sync data to restore your groups. Finally, try to restore from previous versions. Locate your Chrome profile folder, usually in App Data, Local, Google Chrome, User Data. Right-click the folder and select Restore Previous Versions to potentially revert to a state before the deletion. And that's it. With these methods, you have a good chance of recovering your deleted Chrome groups. Now you can reclaim your organized browsing experience.